Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video I'm doing a Cammus C5 update. Cammus have done some tinkering, so I thought I would just let you know that one of my biggest problems with the C5 has now been fixed. Hello and welcome to the sim. First off, I would like to say sorry for not making a video the last few weeks because my grandmother passed away and she was in hospital for a little bit, so I was going to and from the hospital for about a week or so, actually, nearly every single day, and well, actually maybe more than a week, and then after that she ended up passing away. There was funerals and all that sort of stuff, so I didn't get to filming anything or editing anything during that time. I do try to be consistent, but there's certain times that you just can't, unfortunately, and this has been one of them. But anyway, enough of the sad news. And in terms of the Cammus C5, okay, so we're in the Cammus software here, and got your devices display. Before, these little rotary encoders down here, they didn't work. Well, they did. When you turned those, it actually went from 49 to 50, 51, 52, 53, but now I can turn it all the way around and each click is still 50, and going back each click is still 49. I asked for this to be fixed, and guess what? It's fixed. I still think that you should have an option in the software to change that so that each individual position is a button, because some people like to set it up that way, but I think you should be able to toggle it. But unfortunately, even when you did set and assign each single click to a different button, for some reason it didn't work in ACC, and some of the other games. But going backwards and forwards with just the two buttons, it now works in Assetto Corsa Competizione. So if it doesn't work on yours, go to Update and update these to the release firmware updates, and you should get working rotary encoders in games like Assetto Corsa Competizione. I think there has also been other improvements. I don't know exactly what else they have done, and I don't think it's really specified anywhere, which is probably a little bit annoying, actually. Okay, I just realized I was on 1.5.59. and there's a 1.5.60. So I just downloaded that. It doesn't tell you there's a new PC driver version, but you physically have to go and check it, which is annoying. If you currently have a C5 and you want your encoders to work, go to cammusracing.com/downloads. or just go to the bottom of the cammusracing.com, press downloads, you'll get this page. Download whatever the newest driver is, and you too can have rotary encoders that work, because they didn't before and it was very annoying. 3 beautiful rotary encoders here that didn't work, so now they work, which is great. But that is not the only improvements that I like and I had a bit of an issue with. So let me show you Okay. So one of the other problems I had with just Cammus in general, really, and a lot of other people did as well, and that is the parameters. So with the parameters, there wasn't much information out there on what the parameters should be and recommended settings and things like that. This is currently what I'm using for ACC, and that is because they have now added this recommended page here. So you go to that, and it has a whole load of recommended profiles that you can just pick and apply if you wanted to. You may see Ice Vein here. That's me, as you can see over here. Use those at your own risk. If you do have some profiles that you really like, then you can upload them yourself. So you can go to, let's say you wanted to upload this one, rename it to something everybody will know. So C5 and whatever game it is. If it's car specific, put that in there and press share. And then it will go to the uploaded page, and I think it then has to go for approval, and if they're happy with it, then it will go on everybody's page, I think. From what I understand, that's what I've been told. So, as you can see, mine are, I think, the first ones on there that are, I mean, yeah, again, use those at your own risk. I'm actually using the recommended C5 ACC one in ACC now. I think it might be better than my version. But if you didn't want to go through all of these, you can go whatever one you want. Automobilista 2. Mine's the only one there. But this is early stages. This is only just been released. Assetto Corsa Competizione. And it's got car specific ones as well. ACC, McLaren. McLaren requires a little bit of a different thing. F1 2022. This might be okay for 23 as well. So you just apply that. At least it's a basis to start modifying on now. Whereas before there was kind of nothing to go off. So good, very good. But the good thing about this is if you do want to make a setup for each individual car, like this is going to get pretty cluttered. So you can just go to ACC and it just brings up the ACC ones. Obviously, when you go to... What the hell's going on here? When you go to rename, you can put in the physical game. So when you do upload to the Cammus recommended, make sure you not only rename but put in the game as well. That helps tell everybody what game it is for. You might not be accepted into the recommended if you don't do that. So, good things are happening. Good things. So, I'm happy with these changes so far. I will say they have made a change that I'm not 100% happy with, and in the wheel firmware, I believe, not the actual software on the computer, but in the wheel firmware, they have updated the 7-segment display to be brighter now. As you can see, like, look at the blue that's resonating off my hands there. And even, I mean, it's bright. It's very, very bright. So much so, I want to wear sunglasses. Or a hat. Like this. So that I don't have to see that segment display. because it's bright. I have talked to Cammus about this issue, and I have suggested that it becomes user definable, where the user can adjust how bright that display is. I assumed they have made it brighter because people have said, I want it to be brighter. I personally was happy with the level of dimness it was at. So I would like it to be user definable. Hopefully that gets implemented. Otherwise, if I'm driving and I'm wearing sunglasses, you know why. Let's jump in ACC. Alright, we're at Monza, everyone. Monza. Uh-oh. I was too busy saying Monza. Wrecked that corner. It's gonna wreck my straight line speed. What? Okay. So anyway, better back here. The Rotary encoders. So let's change ABS. Oh yes, we like it. We like it. I feel like I need to go up a traction. Oh yes. Well, that was way slow. Way slow. Let's cut that corner. Whoa! Too much of a cut. What about a TC cut? Oh, yes. We're working. Within track limits. Oh yeah. Oh. On the throttle a little bit too hard there. But we can go faster. Lost it going in there. No. Lost on exit. It was just a little uneasy going in there. So I had to brake a bit more. Oh, I shouldn't have gone down second. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, everybody. Just a quick update video that things have gotten better in Cammus land, because this doesn't just fix the C5, it actually fixes all the other Cammus products as well. They all use the same software, whether you're on the LP8, the 15 Newton meter, whatever. All good. So Thanks for watching this video, everybody. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.